Welcome again. So this is the next tutorial. So tutorial 5 complete. Okay, so we have discussed tutorial 1, tutorial 2, tutorial 3, tutorial 4. So next is tutorial 5. Okay, so I will double click this tutorial 5 complete. So I already explained what is tutorial 5 and tutorial 5 complete means. Tutorial 5 is the cat file and tutorial 5 complete is the file that consists of all the strategies. Okay, so here in the setup you can see this is the facing contour strategy, adaptive clearing strategy, again contour strategy, horizontal strategy, contour, parallel, pencil, pencil 2 and pencil 3. So pencil 1, pencil 2, pencil 3. So three pencil strategies are there. So these are the different strategies. So I will go to actions, then I will simulate. You can say the simulation, phasing operation, then 2D contour. Then after that, the adaptive strategy, adaptive clearing strategy. Okay, next is the 2D contour. After adaptive, 2D contour. So next is the horizontal strategy. Then again Condor 1 with another tool, that is tool number 21. In the browser tab, you can see the different tools for phasing operation. Tool number 1, T1, then 2D Condor T2, adaptive T11, 2D Condor tool number 14, horizontal tool number 14, Condor 21, parallel 21, pencil 1 22, pencil 2 23, and pencil 3 tool number 24. So I will increase the speed. So this is the next strategy, pencil 2 with tool number 23. Then the last pencil strategy with tool number 24. Okay, so everything completed. Then go to post process, Fanu controller, post. Yeah, so here this is the code. Okay, this is the Fanuc controller code. Then next is actions setup sheet. Yeah, this is the setup sheet. Okay, here the total number of operations 10 and total number of tools 8. So this is the tools T1, T2, T11, 14, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Total number of tools 8. So these are the details of tools. Tool number 1 and its details. Tool number 2 and its details. 11, it is bullnose end mill. So T1 is face mill, T2 flat end mill, T11 bullnose end mill. Then T14 again bullnose end mill, ball end mill, T21, T22 ball end mill, T23 ball end mill, T24 ball end mill. And the various operations are facing strategy, 2D condor strategy, adaptive strategy, 2D condor, horizontal, condor, parallel strategy, pencil 1, pencil 2 and pencil 3. So that was all about the tutorial 5 complete. So please go through this data panel and double click on this tutorial 5 complete and go to actions, generate, simulate, post process and generate the setup sheet. Thank you.